What's good, everybody on YouTube? TJ Got Kicks 89 here, back with another video for you guys. Today we've got a real classic Huf shoe. It is on the Huf Sotos. This was from one of those liquidation companies down here in Malaysia. Got this for a retail price, not a retail price. The retail price was probably about 349 when it first released, but I got this for about 75 ringgit inclusive of shipping to Sungai Buloh. So this is the box that it comes in. It's just your standard Huf brown box. They Huf switched from a number of colors. It was initially green box first, and then eventually all shoes came in this brown box. So you got the Huf lettering up there, and this is what it looks like. I got the black colorway. What's interesting about this version of the Soto that I have here with me is that it is one of the original launch colorways, and also is the version that was released to the skate shops when the Huf Soto first released. So I'll just give you guys a very quick 360. This is what it looks like. It's just a nice, simple skate shoe. So the Huf Sotos were released initially back in 2016, and backtracking to what I said earlier on, in the tag it says the production date is November 2015, and this is made in Indonesia. So that means that this was the version that most skate shops in the US that were competing in the Huf Soto weartest competition got this pair, this exact same one, because the Huf Sotos later on moved their production to China. So everything that you see in showroom and most Huf Sotos that you see here in Malaysia, if not made in Indonesia, is made in China. So that means that it was probably the subsequent releases down the line in 2018 to 2019 until Huf stopped producing shoes. As you guys all know, Huf has stopped making shoes, so I didn't see it as the opportunity to basically grab this shoe, but I just needed something similar to my Lakai Mike Mo's, and this is the reason why I picked this up. So the Huf Soto, the main technology in this shoe is actually the infinity rubber, which is used throughout this cup sole. And on the tag it says specially formulated rubber that is significantly more durable and grippier than standard rubber formulas. The rubber formula basically is supposed to be softer, but at the same time more durable. So most websites that have reviewed this shoe have said that the infinity rubber does nothing at all. Compare this with a guy that actually skates for Huf, who has made countless videos on this shoe alone. I think it's KD Clips 23 or KD Clips. I'll throw his YouTube handle down here. But watching his videos actually made me want to get this shoe at the price of 75 ringgit. And considering that you won't be able to get Huf shoes anymore, and me being the shoe geek wanting to try out the infinity rubber technology at 75 ringgit, why not, right? So the Huf Soto is one of the later Huf models to actually feature a cup sole. The other cup sole that Huf made before they stopped producing shoes was actually the Huf Boyd, but this was one of their staples in the lineup from 2016 until 2019. So the Huf Soto is, like I said, a cup sole construction. It has a split canvas and suede upper, suede being used in the forefront, canvas being used in the back. You can see suede going up the eyelets, suede going up to the collar, and also in the back. Same thing on the other side. The Huf H here is actually synthetic leather, so that may withstand abrasion or may not. I don't know. I'll probably try to run a skated review on these if you guys want. I'll probably just throw that down. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a skate review on these. Standard lace closure going up. You've got the same canvas material going up the tongue, and at the top you've got the Huf logo stamped in there with the backing of suede, which is used in the forefoot and going up in the collar and eyelets. In the shoe itself, you've got what Huf calls, I think it was soft, I forgot, but it's basically this insole that's green. It's not polyurethane, it's just your standard foam, if you can see there. So it's just your standard foam, not really too thick. It looks thick because of the cupping going up, but this is all that you're getting in the shoe alone. And like I said, it's a cupsole construction, right? So in there, there's supposed to be like some sort of crating or a little bit more. Well, if you cut open the cupsole, you'll know why it has better support, because it has like pillars which compress, which leads to the cushioning. Usually most cupsoles have EVA cushioning like what Super had in their early shoes, but this I don't think has anything inside here. It just feels like a strobo board, which is this white part. Oh, and what's interesting to note is if you guys can see in the back there's like lines, and all of these lines are cut out into the strobo board, enabling it to flex better. So on Huf's website, they say that this Huf Soto shoe is supposed to be designed like a cupsole but skate like a Volk, and they say that because of the raised bumper here, which is a prominent design in most vulcanized shoes, and also in the back here. So this entire cupsole uses infinity rubber, and Huf is known for their lack of durability and grip, and it's in the way that they design their soles, which is very minimal. It's not really that deep, the herringbone, but this is supposed to be using infinity rubber, and it's supposed to be durable, more grippy, softer, so on and so forth. So yeah, that takes care of the review of the Huf Sotos. This is what the other side looks like. 70 ringgit, great price for this shoe, man. I love that Huf square logo in the gold foil. From the same person, I'm probably gonna get another pair of these and a pair of Boyds, and initially whatever else that they may have, because everything's going at 70 to 75 ringgit. So hit me up on the comments or in my Instagram DMs if you want to know more about where I got this shoe from. Yes, it is legit. It's legit Huf. Yeah, so that takes care of it. Oh yeah, the other thing that I wanted to say about this shoe, the reason I got it is because it reminds me of the Huf Choice. Exactly the same design, which is split suede in the front, canvas in the middle, with a hit of leather in the back. The Huf Choice was a shoe that I think I really enjoyed when I skated it, when it was available, especially the first few runs. I have a feeling I'm definitely going to be enjoying this shoe as well. Oh, I must say that these shoes run true to size. I have a slightly wide foot. I feel it kind of like constricting, but I know that this will break in and eventually become a bit wider and so on and so forth. A good thing to note is that there is no padding whatsoever inside here, which leads to the truer fit, so on and so forth. But I like the way that Huf constructed the collar area and the heel cup. Basically, there's an internal heel cup. Man, I'm just going on and on. But yeah, good sturdy shoe. Huf, rest in peace to Keith Hufnagel. The Huf Soto. TJ got kicks 89. I'm out.